Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Bugatti, and I want to quickly do a short video on what I've earned and how to cash out. Now, the first thing, if you look at the screen now, the total earnings in euro is 20.15 euro. Out of it, 11.25 is affiliate commission, and out of the 20, 8.90 is the daily job, that's the tax of watching video and listening to audio. That is the amount 8.90 euro. This one is paid at the end of the month, but the trainings commission is paid on Mondays and Thursdays. Today is Thursday, and they pay between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. The time right now is 5:09. Now, what did I do? Just as I said in earlier video, once you sign up, go to your profile. Let's go to profile and put your details, your bank details, everything correct. Your bank details, put it there. Once you are done, now look at this top right. You see euro. You can change it to naira. It must be paid directly into your account. Success. You must always see success. When you see success, you know that the instruction is done. Now, I want to cash out my affiliate commission. My affiliate commission is 22,500. The total money I've earned is 40,300 in 3 days. Out of this, 70,800 is the daily tax. Out of the 22,500 is for affiliate commission. All right. So what did I do? I'll fill my bank details in my profile. I will now go to my payments. This is my first time of doing this. Wow, fantastic. Can you see what has happened? The commission has been highlighted there. All I need to do is click on this and put the amount I want to collect. Of course, the whole money. I want to try the woman, the whole money I want to, and then I will do what? Click on withdraw. Simple as ABC, it will go to my bank account. This is awesome, guys. This is awesome. A lot of people have made thousands and millions. My upline, the guy I signed up under, Uche Patrick, has made over 5 million. Has made over 5 million, guys. We're just starting. Okay. So I'll click on withdraw. Can you see withdraw preview amount, bank details to confirm? Please confirm the withdrawal details before completing the withdrawal, as this cannot be reversed. I want your name, the account details, everything correct. Then I click confirm. Withdrawal successfully placed. Withdrawal placed successful. Beautiful. So let me screen this. All right. So I've done the withdrawal. It's now waiting for me. I'm waiting for the money to land in my bank. I'm told it takes between 1 hour and 24 hours. So we're going to be watching. It is 5:12 p.m. today, 24th. When I see that money, 22,500 in my bank account at FCMB, I will tell you, I will do the video. All right. Well done, guys. We're in for a good ride. Okay.